Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but I thought that this is something that I've been waiting for a long time, and I would like to share it with you guys. So this was a Kickstarter. It's called ErgonBand. It's an ergonomic watch band that actually goes on the back of your hand instead of on your wrist. And I think this was like 125 or something like that, which is not too bad. Comes in a nice pouch. It does feel like it's been about a year though that I've had to wait for this. But so yeah, it's really, I think the idea is really cool. There's a little goodie bag. Let's see what's in here. Okay. So it looks like comes with a few options, 20 and 22 millimeter. I'm not sure if this is because of my particular setup. That is one of the questions they ask, is sort of what kind of watch I'll be using with it. Looks like another replacement part. Nice little plush pillow. So this is the ErgonBand. Looks like it attaches this, so it shouldn't interfere with things. One of the things that I really liked about this is that they claim it will work on motorcycle gloves, and that's one thing that this always has. You know, if I'm wearing leathers, you know, this is really inconvenient and uncomfortable. So hopefully this will work a little bit better. We have the attachment points here and here. Rotate. So yeah, this is that. Let's get rid of this old crusty old watch band that's falling apart. Now I'll probably be replacing this with a newer one. This is the Gear S2 Classic. I might get the new Gear 3 or the old Gear 3, who knows. But let me get this transferred over and I'll show you guys how it looks. So that was quick and easy. Took that off, put these on this side, snaps on there. And this side, you put it whatever hole you need it, and then attach this. And just to clean this up, now one of the perks of getting this through Kickstarter is they've already set it up and customized it to my dimensions, so it will already be a perfect fit. But yeah, it's nice how it all fits together. That's that right there. Allows me to type, use a mouse, do everything, and it still functions. Let's make sure the sensors work. Oh, that's voice memo. Cool. So that works. And they should also be able to measure. No, that's the phone has to do that. But yeah, so I mean, it works, it fits. If I bring my mouse over, it doesn't get in the way of movement. It's pretty comfortable, but I'll can make a follow-up video after about a month of using this and give my thoughts. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.